Hey guys, it's time for my 24-week update on Minoxidil for my beard. And if this is your first time to the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, so for the past week, I've been using liquid at night and foam during the day. And it wasn't until about day 4 that I noticed any dryness start happening. And it wasn't too bad. I've only used moisturizer once. The kind I'm using is the Nivea Soft, which was recommended by everyone at the Minox Beard Spot. You'll notice that everything on the left kind of grows straight down and on the neck as well. But on the right side, everything tends to go back, especially this section right here, which is a bit annoying because it just kind of goes sideways. That's okay. Still got a bit of a patch right here that may be more apparent because all these hairs are going this way and these are kind of going this way and leaving a gap there. The underlip hasn't seen much progress at all, really, but the connector on the left seems to be coming in. You can see the vellus are there, as opposed to the right side, which is still really stubborn. And here's the stash. So that is 5 weeks of growth after 5 months on Minoxidil. Now here are some photos from before I started. These are trimmed at a number 2, just to give you an idea of where I came from. You can definitely see that I did have a base to start with. I didn't start with completely nothing like a lot of people do. Overall, I'm really happy with my results so far. I wish that it was a bit denser, but I think maybe when they turn terminal and over time it will fill in even more, even when I stop using Minoxidil for that matter. So I've been dermarolling every 3 days now, but only the connectors and the underlip, and also this patch under here, just because I found that it's too difficult to go over each area painstakingly without tugging on some of the hairs with the Dermaroller, and I don't want to pull any of the hairs out. So until the beard gets trimmed down again, I'm just going to avoid dermarolling the whole face. Now I do want to mention that my workout the past 2.5, 3 weeks has been non-existent pretty much. I think I worked out 1 time. Now I've done this before, started working out for a couple months and then kind of slacked off and then quit completely, but I'm not going to do that this time. I am determined to get in shape, to get healthy. I'm still eating fairly clean right now, but the past couple of days I've had a lot of cereal, bread, stuff like that that isn't the best thing I can be putting into my body. I need to get those fruits in, those vegetables in, because I know that's where I'm really going to get the energy I need to hit those workouts hard and get the results that I want. So thank you so much for all the support. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. I do look forward to making these every week, even though sometimes it's hard to edit on my crappy laptop, but I stick through it for you guys. I do want to mention that I have a second channel where I upload original music. It's nothing big, I just have a couple videos up, but if you're interested in that, there will be a button at the end of the video and a link in the description. I hope that you enjoyed this update. I think you may be surprised what I'm going to do with the beard after November. So I just want to encourage you guys to do things that's going to make you better as a person, a better individual. Be kind to people. Kindness and compassion are very underrated and underappreciated in today's society, but you never know what that can do for someone. So with that, I'm going to leave you till next week. I look forward to making these and interacting with you in the comments. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this update, what you think about my beard, and I will see you next week.